Before starting my PhD, I worked in one of the big names in the chemical industry. The chemical industry relies heavily on oil and gas, both as fuel and as feedstock. It is the largest industrial energy consumer and ranks the third among industrial greenhouse gas emitters. As a former sustainability engineer seeing the astonishing numbers of greenhouse gas emissions from our manufacturing sites, I couldn't help thinking, where is the sustainable future for the chemical industry? With this question, I started my PhD journey here at ETH Zurich. My name is Jing Huo. In my research, I try to understand the environmental impacts of chemicals and their feedstock. To foster a sustainable and circular chemical industry, the sector needs to transit away from the traditional fossil-based feedstock. What can be the potential candidates as renewable feedstock? In the first part of my project, I'm looking into a carbon dioxide-based chemical industry. With the global consensus of the consequences from global warming, energy sectors and heavy industries are developing roadmaps towards net zero greenhouse gas emissions. They will improve efficiency in their operation or switch to new production routes. However, carbon capture will still play an important role in tackling the hard-to-abate emissions, such as the process emissions from a cement kiln, when limestone is produced into lime. This can be actually good news for the chemical industry because it can utilize the captured CO2 as feedstock, converting a waste into something useful, and at the same time storing the greenhouse gas in a durable product. Sounds great, but there are still many questions to be addressed. Will there be any shortage in feedstock supply in the future when the CO2 emissions are set to decrease substantially? Which industries can serve as the most suitable supplier of CO2 feedstock? Do we need to redesign the supply chain of the current chemical industry? These are the questions I'm trying to address in my project. If you are interested in learning more about it, please feel free to contact me.